Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay not working for online purchases. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and your Apple Pay is not working for your purchases, let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, and after that you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open your settings, go for general. Go for VPN and device management, and here you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with that. And once you have checked, you just have to go back and here go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update available, or if you have any pending software update, you just have to try to update your software. Once you have updated, it will almost fix your issue, or if it doesn't work for you, you have to go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, and here you have to enter your passcode, and then your all of your network settings will be resetted. So it might be if there are any issue in your network settings, it will fix in this step. Or once you have done, you have to retry. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to go for screen time, go for content and privacy restrictions, and from here you have to disable this toggle to disable all these restrictions from here. Once you have done, so it will almost fix because sometimes your phone setting or Apple Pay is restricted by your settings. So in this way the restriction will be disabled. Or if you are still having the same issue, you have to try to open your app store, and here tap on your Apple ID, and here select sign out option, and then re-login or sign in to your Apple ID. It will make a refresh into your Apple ID settings, and after that you just have to retry to use your Apple Pay. If you are still having the same issue, so you have to open your browser, and here you have to simply search for support.apple.com, and here you have to select your device, and once you have selected, you just have to scroll down, and here just look for get support option. Here's the get support option. You have to select the start now here, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of subscriptions and purchases. Select that, and from here you have to select unable to purchase, and then select continue here, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of get more help, then select call us, and here whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial the number and get official support from Apple Pay or Apple Support. So in this way you can easily fix your Apple Pay is not working for online purchases. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.